I'm Jennifer Ng, Signature Artist at Wella Professionals, and welcome to today's classroom, Color Fresh Mask Discovery. So what makes these masks so special? Well, it's a zero damage formula, and it fades true to tone. It's very easy application with no animal-derived ingredients, and it's formulated without silicones. What it is it's a semi-permanent color depositing mask to revive professional salon color at home. It's formulated for the perfect balance of color deposit and conditioning. It's curated range of natural and fun shades that fade true to tone, and it's the perfect partner for Celestone Perfect for visible color and shine enhancement at home. We have 7 natural shades. It's to revive and refresh blondes, brunettes, and reds for natural looking enhancements. It includes beautiful shine enhancement. Some salon services are natural tone service. This is a toning service which is perfect to follow gray coverage, highlights, balayage, or even an all-over color application. There's a vibrant tone service. This is a toning service perfect to follow highlights, balayage, or a lighten and tone service. And last, we have a conditioning service. This is color and a conditioning service for clients with natural, virgin hair who may be in for a haircut or a blow dry service. Also ideal as a final step after a toner. So here are some pro tips. When using the darker or more fun shades, remember to use gloves. Hope you enjoyed learning about the Wella Professional Color Fresh Masks today. We look forward to seeing you continue your learning journey at wellaed.com.